right, guys, we're going to do a room tour here on the Carnival Radiance, room number 5307. Let's go check it out.
Hey guys, welcome to room 5307 on the Carnival Radiance. We are headed to Hawaii.
You want to show them around, baby?
Standard room, ocean view. We have our safe. We have, these drawers are a little different. Got some drawers here. Our towels, don't have enough though.
They typically don't if you got more than 2 people, but you can always ask for more, right?
Closet. I think we typically have one more closet than what we have here. I think we usually have 3. And we have no shelves, so that does present a problem. One shelf there.
We got more drawers here we'll have to utilize with 4 people.
4 of us in this group.
There's our laundry.
Laundry bags. Drawers. That one's pretty deep. There's nothing there. Okay, got a hair dryer. Refrigerator. Let's put some water in there.
That's right. Stay hydrated, my friends. Stay hydrated. Of course, you got a big, well, a decent sized TV if you want to do that. And you've got your mirror and you got
here.
little shelves there, and your phone and your directories, your QR codes. And of course, you have
Drinks.
well, you got to get those. They don't provide them for free, but you do have 220 volt outlets there.
The bed is a little different. We're used to it coming down from the ceiling. And this was set up already where we're going to get.
All right, and of course we have our bed set up, you know, the king size, the 2 twins put together or whatever, and you have a nightstand there with some, looks like USB ports there.
We have stayed in this exact same room on Sunshine, exact same room. I do think this is a little smaller. I think there's less room.
It seems to be a little smaller, a little different. Like you said, I think that that desk area right there may be a little bigger, and the reason why you don't have as much closet space. So it is definitely different than the Sunshine, but they are still very similar. All right, I guess we can check out the bathroom area. Of course, here's where you adjust your AC, you got your light switch there, and of course your information telling you where you're at and all the information you need. And of
The
course,
lights would not cut on without putting the car in.
make sure you have a cord to put in that so your lights will turn on. Also your AC. Let's check out. We got a corner shower curtain or shower. Of course, you got your little clothesline there that pulls out, and you got your body wash and your shampoo and your standard. Typically a great corner toilet. The blue room. All right, so of course, not a whole lot of space, especially with 4 people. For 14 days, but we're going to make it work. Absolutely. All right, guys, there you have it. Room number
5307.
here on the Carnival Radiance, and well, we'll be seeing you because we're going on a cruise. Woo!